video, I wanted to share with you a simple granola recipe, and I really enjoy having it, especially on top of smoothie bowls, but sometimes I also chop up some fruit, add granola, and a little bit of plant-based milk, and it tastes great. So without further ado, let's get into it. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of oats, date paste that you make from 5 medjool dates. To make it, remove the pits from the dates, put them into a bowl with lukewarm water and let them sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Then create a paste by blending them up with about 3 tablespoons or a quarter cup of water they were soaked in. And if you don't have any type of blender, you can also just use a fork to mash them up. You will also need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds that you have soaked with a quarter cup of water for 20 to 30 minutes until they become gelatinous. You will also need a quarter cup of almonds chopped, a quarter cup of walnuts chopped, a quarter cup of sunflower seeds, a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, a quarter cup of coconut flakes, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And as always, the full recipe with the quantities will be linked in the description below. Once you have all the ingredients ready, preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Then, in a large bowl, add in the oats and the chia seeds and mix them together until well combined. Then add in the date paste you made and mix well. Then add in all of the nuts and seeds. You can choose to add any other nuts and seeds or dried fruit of your choice. This is what I had on hand today, but many times I also decide to add some hemp hearts or raisins, but really customize it to your taste. Then I mix it all together before adding in the ground flax seeds, cinnamon, and vanilla. I then finish mixing and combining everything together. Once it's ready, I move it over to a pre-lined baking pan. I then flatten it out, and if you choose to use a larger pan, it may work a little bit better as it crisps up more. I put it in the oven for 10-minute intervals for a total of 40 minutes, taking it out every 10 minutes to mix around. Once it is done, I let it cool completely, and then I transfer it into an airtight container to store for when I want to have some. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here, make sure to subscribe to join the Living Life Simply community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!